You heard now, and thanks to opening speeches from MITI side, that they introduced to us what MITI is, what the GIT is, and we are actually here for finding out how you can, because you are our stakeholders, how you can support this GIT program. Therefore, the further agenda will give us the opportunity, next one, will give us the opportunity to talk about the gallery, our approach we have here. And for that we need your active participation, because this is not a lot of presentations we will have this morning. This is more workshop based, where we invite you to give us your opinion, your point of view, what GIT is, what GIT does, how can you interlink with GIT in order to streamline and to foster the food and beverage industry, and there especially knowledge and technology transfer for the small and medium-sized enterprises, and with that specific view to the woman orientation in the food and beverage industry. How can we move forward with that in order to interlink with each other? This is actually what we are looking for this morning. And as I said, active participation is needed. And therefore I also thanks a lot to you, Bugita, because you're supporting me a lot together with Yuda, who is responsible for the GIT program here within MITI and BTIC. So thanks again, and we are sharing the workload a little bit this morning, and it's up to her now to continue with the next small step, which is the introductory round, so that we know who is around the table. And I will start with myself, if you allow. My name is Georg Villinger. I'm from Steinbais. Steinbais is actually an intermediary institution in Germany. And but we are not. We do matchmaking. We are an intermediary, but we are not a typical intermediary. If you know, usually in the national innovation system, you usually have, when it comes to intermediary services, you have an intermediary whose task is to bring people together. This is what we also do, but we do it different. Our uniqueness comes from the fact that we first go to the industry, we first go to the companies, and find out what the real problem in the market is. What is the real problem of these SMEs? And then we start from there. We start from the problem, from the demand in the industry, in the SMEs. And then we matchmake with experts who can solve that specific problem. And this is why it is so important that you are here today, because we will learn from you, and we will find linkages with you, how we can adapt this kind of going forward here in Indonesia. This is actually what Steinbais is doing in Germany, and what I'm here for, and why we, Steinbais and MITI, are collaborating, because MITI is the perfect organization to adapt what we do in Germany, to adapt this, not to copy, but to adapt this to the Indonesian national innovation system. So that's my person, and now let me hand over to you.